Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. The ultimate guide to tire shine and dressing, benefits, types, application and common mistakes. If you're looking to enhance the appearance of your vehicle, tire shine and dressing can make a significant difference. Whether you're aiming for a glossy or matte finish, these products are designed to give your tires a clean, polished look that lasts. In this video, we'll delve into the world of tire shine and dressing, exploring the benefits and best practices for achieving that coveted professional finish. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply want to keep your vehicle looking its best, understanding the ins and outs of tire shine and dressing is essential. What is tire shine and dressing? Tire shine is a product used to enhance the appearance of tires, giving them a glossy, wet-like finish. It provides UV protection and helps prevent cracking, fading and browning of the tires. Tire dressing, on the other hand, is a liquid or gel-based formula that is applied to tires to protect and revitalize the rubber. It restores the deep black color and provides a long-lasting shine. Both tire shine and dressing are essential for maintaining the appearance and condition of tires. Definition of tire shine. Tire shine, also known as tire dressing, is a chemical product applied to tires to enhance their appearance and protect them from environmental damage. It typically contains silicone-based polymers that create a shiny, water-resistant layer on the tire's surface. Tire shine comes in various forms, including sprays, gels and foams, allowing users to choose the application method that best suits their preferences and needs. Definition of tire dressing. Tire dressing is a specialized product designed to restore and preserve the natural beauty of tires. It penetrates the rubber surface, nourishing it and enhancing its flexibility. This helps prevent cracks and fading caused by prolonged exposure to sunlight and harsh weather conditions. Tire dressing also repels dust and dirt, ensuring that the tires maintain a clean and glossy appearance for an extended period. The benefits of using tire shine and dressing. Enhanced aesthetics. Tire shine and dressing provide an easy way to enhance the aesthetics of your vehicle. By applying these products, you can achieve a glossy, like-new appearance that gives your tires a professional and well-maintained look. It adds a finishing touch to your vehicle's overall appearance, making it look cleaner and more appealing. Protection from UV rays and oxidation. Tire shine and dressing offer protection from UV rays and oxidation, which can cause damage to the rubber compound of the tires. UV rays can lead to fading and discoloration, while oxidation can make the rubber brittle and prone to cracking. By using tire shine and dressing, you can safeguard your tires from these harmful elements, prolonging their lifespan and maintaining their original color and texture. Prevention of cracking and fading. Regular application of tire shine and dressing helps prevent cracking and fading of the tires. These products contain ingredients that nourish the rubber, keeping it supple and flexible. This prevents unsightly cracks from forming and helps retain the deep black color of the tires, preventing premature fading caused by exposure to the sun and environmental elements. Water and dirt repellent properties. Tire shine and dressing create a protective barrier on the tire's surface, making it water and dirt repellent. This not only keeps the tires looking cleaner for longer periods, but also makes cleaning and maintenance easier. The repellent properties help in shedding water and dirt, reducing the accumulation of grime and making it easier to maintain the appearance of the tires. Hey there, if you like this topic, drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might benefit from this information and hit that subscribe button for more. Let's continue. Different types of tire shine and dressing products. When it comes to enhancing the look of your tires, there are various types of tire shine and dressing products available in the market. Each type offers unique characteristics and benefits, catering to different preferences and needs. Water-based tire dressing. Water-based tire dressings are formulated with water as the primary solvent. They are known for providing a natural matte finish that does not leave a greasy residue. These products are environmentally friendly and are generally safer to use on a wider range of tire types. Additionally, water-based tire dressings offer UV protection, which helps prevent the tires from fading or cracking due to sun exposure. Solvent-based tire dressing. Solvent-based tire dressings contain solvents as their primary carriers. They are favored for their ability to deliver a long-lasting, high-gloss shine that is resistant to water and lasts through multiple washes. This type of dressing often provides superior protection against environmental elements and can rejuvenate older tires, giving them a deep, dark appearance. However, it is important to note that solvent-based dressings may not be suitable for all tire materials and can be flammable, requiring caution during application. Gel tire dressing. Gel tire dressings are characterized by their thicker consistency, allowing for easy and precise application. These products are designed to cling to the tire's surface, preventing sling-off during driving. Gel dressings provide a moderate shine and often contain conditioning agents that help nourish the rubber, keeping it supple and preventing dryness. Due to their viscous nature, gel dressings are less likely to run or drip during application, making them a popular choice for users seeking controlled coverage. Foam tire dressing. Foam tire dressings come in an aerosol or spray form, producing a foamy consistency when dispensed. This type of dressing is valued for its ease of application, as the foam adheres well to the tire's surface, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Foam dressings are often quick-drying and can be layered for increased shine and protection. They offer a balanced finish, providing a sleek appearance without an overly glossy or greasy look. Additionally, foam tire dressings are convenient for reaching intricate tire details and textures. By understanding the characteristics of different tire shine and dressing products, you can make an informed choice based on the desired finish, application method, and maintenance preferences for your vehicle's tires. How to apply tire shine and dressing. Preparing the tires. Before applying tire shine and dressing, it's crucial to ensure the tires are clean and dry. Start by thoroughly washing the tires with a tire cleaner or a mixture of water and soap. Use a tire brush to scrub off any dirt, grime, or old dressing. Rinse the tires and let them dry completely to ensure the product adheres properly. Applying the product. Once the tires are clean and dry, it's time to apply the tire shine or dressing. Shake the product well to mix any settling agents. Use a foam applicator pad, sponge, or spray bottle to apply the product evenly onto the tire surface. Buffing and drying. After applying the tire shine or dressing, allow the product to dry for a few minutes. Then, use a clean microfiber cloth to gently buff the tires, removing any excess product and creating an even shine. Ensure that the product is evenly distributed and buffed to a uniform finish for a professional look. This process will not only enhance the appearance of your tires, but also protect against cracking and fading, making them look new and well-maintained for a longer period. Tips for choosing the right tire shine and dressing. Consider the tire material. When choosing a tire shine and dressing, it's crucial to consider the material of your tires. Different tire materials, such as rubber, vinyl, or plastic, require different types of products for optimal results. Understanding the composition of your tires will help you select a tire shine and dressing that is compatible with the material, ensuring a long-lasting and effective shine. Longevity of shine. One key factor to keep in mind when selecting a tire shine and dressing is the longevity of the shine it provides. A high-quality product should offer long-lasting results, keeping your tires looking glossy and sleek for an extended period. Look for products that boast about their durable shine and lasting effects to ensure that your tires maintain their appealing appearance over time. Ease of application and removal. The application and removal process of the tire shine and dressing can greatly impact your overall experience. Opt for products that offer ease of application, saving you time and effort during the detailing process. Additionally, easy removal is equally important to prevent any unwanted residue or buildup on your tires. A product that provides effortless application and removal will contribute to a seamless and enjoyable tire shining experience. Environmental friendliness. In today's eco-conscious world, it's essential to consider the environmental impact of the products we use. When choosing a tire shine and dressing, look for options that are environmentally friendly and free from harmful chemicals. Selecting a product that aligns with eco-friendly standards ensures that you can achieve a stunning shine on your tires while minimizing the impact on the environment. Common mistakes to avoid when using tire shine and dressing. Over-application. Over-application of tire shine or dressing can lead to a greasy, unattractive appearance on your tires. Applying too much product not only wastes the product, but can also cause slinging, where the excess product flings onto the car's body and surrounding areas, creating a messy cleanup. Using the wrong type of product. Using the wrong type of tire shine or dressing for your specific tires can lead to unsatisfactory results. For example, using a solvent-based tire dressing on matte finish tires can cause discoloration and damage. It's important to match the product to the type of tires you have to achieve the best results. Neglecting regular cleaning. Neglecting to regularly clean your tires before applying tire shine or dressing can result in an uneven application and reduce the effectiveness of the product. Dirt, grime and old dressing should be thoroughly removed using a tire cleaner before applying a new coat of shine or dressing to ensure a clean and long-lasting finish. DIY tire shine and dressing recipes. Tire shine and dressing are essential for maintaining the appearance of your vehicle and protecting the rubber from cracking and fading due to exposure to the elements. Creating your DIY tire shine and dressing can be a cost-effective and eco-friendly alternative to commercial products. Here are 3 simple and effective recipes using common household items. Olive oil and lemon juice mixture. Mix 1 cup of olive oil with 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice in a small bowl. Using a clean cloth or sponge, apply the mixture to the tires, ensuring even coverage. Allow the mixture to penetrate the rubber for a few minutes, then wipe off any excess with a separate cloth. Coconut oil and water solution. In a spray bottle, combine 1/2 cup of melted coconut oil with 1 cup of water. Shake the bottle well to emulsify the ingredients. Spray the solution onto the tires and use a microfiber cloth to rub it in. Allow the mixture to sit for a few minutes before wiping off any excess. Petroleum jelly and dish soap blend. In a mixing bowl, blend 1 cup of petroleum jelly and 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Mix until the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Use a sponge or applicator to spread the mixture onto the tires, ensuring full coverage. Allow the blend to set for a few minutes before wiping off any residue. By using these DIY tire shine and dressing recipes, you can keep your tires looking sleek and protected while minimizing your environmental impact. In conclusion, investing in a high-quality tire shine and dressing is crucial for maintaining the appearance and longevity of your vehicle's tires. By regularly applying a reliable product, you can achieve a long-lasting, glossy finish while also protecting the rubber from potential damage caused by UV rays, moisture and environmental contaminants. Prioritize products with UV protection, water resistance and long-lasting shine for optimal results. Remember, a well-maintained set of tires not only enhances the overall look of your vehicle, but also contributes to its overall safety and performance. Please comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.